All right, so today I want to show you this pretty cool set of 17-inch LEDs for the front of your vehicle. They're going to be a inside mount dash. I'm going to show you on the inside of my car here, but what's really nice about this is it's going to have a multitude of different settings on it, as well as a bunch of stuff with it. So in here you're going to see 8 little pads. These are going to be for under the suction cups that are going to hold these to the windshield, which is going to help with the adherence of that. It's going to give you an owner's manual, user's guide. It's going to give you all kinds of different tips and tricks. So you obviously you can see the little sticky parts are there, and then also in here it's going to give you an installation guide for some of the patterns and stuff like that I'll show you. Gives you 8 suction cups here, so you can set this up in 2 different ways. One would be with 2 different suction cups, or all 4 of them. So you go ahead and pull it out and you'll see that there are 5 LEDs per panel, and there's 2 of these panels in this package. On the top you'll see there is 2 mounting spots here, so you can put suction cups here as well as in the slots here, or you can actually hard mount it with the 2 screw holes here. These sides are slightly adjustable as well, so this is going to really get a good fit on the inside of your windshield. What's also nice about it is you can see this bottom piece right here is going to be a reflection guard. So the lights that are going to emit are going to go outside of the vehicle instead of back into the driver's face, which is really important for driver safety. On here you're going to see a 12-volt plug with a power switch, and they do give you plenty of cord right here, as well as a controller for controlling your patterns. So what's really nice about the controllers, on the back you'll see it does have a double-sided sticky, and you can actually remove that piece, so you can mount this to the side of your vehicle, and this will slide down and sit down there and it won't fall off. The other cool part about this front piece is it's going to give you a power button, and it's also going to give you a number for your patterns, as well as it's going to illuminate the pattern that is being shown or off the front of the LEDs. You can change from a turn signal or an alternate, as well as change your patterns here, and then a custom setting. So the custom setting is going to allow you the ability to find one of the settings you really enjoy and hold that button down, so when you power it on you can go straight to that setting and not worry about having to flip through all 28 different settings that are going to be inside this controller. So I'm gonna hook these up in the inside of the car here and show you guys just how bright these are. As you guys can see, it's pretty dark out. I'm gonna go ahead and kick these lights on, and you'll see over here on the side I do have the controller. You can see that it is on the first pattern, and I'll switch through some of these patterns for you guys just to show you just how absolutely bright these things are. So this is going to be great for any emergency light that you might need on your vehicle to really give you that look where people will be able to see you. Great is it does have that hidden look to it, so you're not really going to see them other than when they're on. So it'll definitely be nice and hidden and give you the look that you're looking for. And as you can see, these are quite bright. So pretty cool set of lights. And we're going to run through all 29 patterns. Back to the first one. So pretty cool. Check this set out for yourself. Thanks for watching.